Alright mga boss, after natin mag-jogging, tambay-tambay mode muna tayo dito sa may tabing ilog. Ayan, napakasarap po ng simoy ng hangin at may mga kasama po tayong ayan namimingwit. O di ba? Nakakuha, talapia. Alright. Mga yan, mga Indonesian sila. Lumapit kanina rito habang ako ay nakaupo rito at nagbe-breakfast. Bale, ito pala yung breakfast ko kanina. May dala tayong ayan, lucid bread with peanut butter. Alright. Okay. Masarap kung mag-chill-chill muna dito. Ayan. Sarap yung simoy ng hangin. Fresco mga boss. Alright. Ah. So, ito nga sila sa dik. Nangituli ng isda. Madami kong isda rito. Oh, di ba? Linilipad-lipad pa yung aking buhok. Dahil mahangin nga. Alright. Kaninang maga madaming tao. Time check. 10 o'clock na po ng 10 o'clock na po. 10 a.m. Yun nga. Bye-bye summer na. Mag-winter na po. Magtataglamig na. Masarap na magtatambay-tambay sa mga ganitong place. Diba? Napakaganda mga boss. Right. Ayun o. Nakahuli na naman si Sadik. Ano? Aywa. Ayun naman siya. Isa. Madami na. Sadik.
Kutang
Good
ina.
Utang ina daw. So, ayan o. Oh. Yan. Tilapia. Tilapia. O, diba? Yummy. Aywa. Pais.
Yes.
O, diba?
Like
What's
this.
your name?
Dadang.
Dadang?
Yeah, Dadang.
Dadang. Nice to meet. I'm Jefferson.
Jefferson.
Yeah. Yes. Where you work here?
Digital City.
Digital City?
Yes.
So you are working in what?
No, driver.
Driver?
Yes.
You are all driver?
Yeah.
They are all driver. Before when you came here, when I'm sitting here, I thought, Kabayan.
Ah.
Because same place, ah.
Yeah, same.
Same Filipino. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I like fish.
You like pets?
Ayun, yeah, I know. You go before in Wadi Namar. You know Wadi Namar?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Of course.
they're very too much fish there.
Yes, too much smile.
Yeah,
Yes.
too much fish. Even the guy who's working there, the cleaners, they
Oh.
are taking fish also. When I go there before, they are catching fish and then said, okay, Sadik, come. Like, how much? Kalam, 20, 20 real. He's selling to me. Wow, two fish, ah. One only, coming. Palas, he ate the bread. Ayun, kinain niya yung bread. Gumagalaw-galaw. He's still alive.
You have channel YouTube?
Yeah, I have this YouTube channel, Jolastic.
Oh.
You have?
Oh. The-
Later, ah. Yeah,
Fishing.
it's good. Yeah, your content is fishing.
Yeah.
That is good. Before when when I'm in Yanbu.
Yambo?
Yeah, I was stayed there for 1 year in Yanbu before. We are every Thursday night we go fishing in Red Sea.
Good channel.
Yeah. So, ulit. Coming. But small only batya. May nahuli, maliit small. Go back again there. Magpalaki ka muna para para babalikan ka na lang. Ayan. Ganun lang, simpleng buhay, chill. Tayo ay upo dito. Pagpipitukan. Ayan.
Aman.
Tapos yun, yung tulay.
Sadek!
Tulay. Ganyan lang siya. Ang ginagis ng dito. May kakagat. Kagat. Wala ulit. Ito malaki. Ito malaki. Ayan, malaki. Ayan, nice. Big. Ayan. Okay. Big ah. Big fish, big fish.
Sorry, sorry.
Laki, laki. Panalo. Sarap niyan, pang ano, paksiw, tilapia, kaya prito. May malaki,
Itong ribot di abos kan ta.
may malaking hito. Ayan, oh. Laki. Laki, oh.
Itong ribot di abos kan jempal.
Very big. Oh, kalas. Sada.
Mayan mo yun, okay?
Ro? Sada. Nakawala.